Wake up. Wake up. The get up, I need to spread up your bed. Because you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something I gonna do. You lie down and sleep. Big and lazy before you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. I want to spread up your bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. I can't take them and sit here no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I made the ask time because you're bigger, you know, no time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
How which shoes that you're asking about? And me help take care of your foot?
It's my boot there, man. Because you see, you love to take big song go on like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Tired, man. Man, just, yo, I hear me. Just do what you do, you answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just because your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. I mean, yo, I hear me. Just give me some time, yeah, sir. I wake up myself properly because early morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So wait, say food I start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. Have a good national dish. Tin mackerel. Saltfish. I don't know what's going on with it. Something wrong, but yeah, you're rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel. And you they come. Where you think about pepper every day. Me no want you nothing about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as me live. Me tell you that it. You go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes some people I'm grateful, listen man. And people in Africa right now that be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me, you chat too much.
Chat can't too much, you never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk on this early.
I'm a friend.
Yo, mama, I know say a man probably today, but just go on like one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What man?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things you go on, you know. Where you say now? You can't come check you later.
The phone did this. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man is man.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. God know? Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I don't know who that best friend is.
You're going like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm a friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena. No Angelina.
And
Tangelina?
the same girl you always see me with.
Girl? That you say? I want to see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name. But she named Angelina. Matter of fact, I question about your friend them.
I want to see that best friend now. It's alright. Know yourself. But they are dark, must come a light. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on, piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to? You drop your head, but come out and come sit. Or come check me.
I lucky things that
Busy with your best friend, not you?
I lucky things that me did wake up you. If you glad to wake you up, I lucky thing me wake you up because maybe you're that pissy bed.
So cross is to right? And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside like a while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come hear something lick up out there. Me come ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, Caroline. Best friend.
So me no worry about.
Yo, mama.
But I don't want girls.
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey, I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss, alright. Yeah, man, guess what now? My name is Kemar and this is a public report, right? So if you're over by AV watching this short film, I want you to go over by Public Report Official, and that's public with a K. There will be a link in the description, alright? So guess what? Go over there and subscribe, please. You'll get this and many more videos like this over there, so, alright? So go and jam with me right now, quickly. We'll be jamming, yeah, over AV or Public Report Official, yes.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. Me I tie up. You two of you at the same time and that you don't realize. You chat, me chat. When you go chat, you first want to chat around me. How you go? Aki Mosh. You know what I say already.
Me want this to blow.
Go.
You're rough.
All done?
Best friend, not the best friend of a
Big
fucking
boy.
woman.
No, girl. Angelina. No. Hello.
Yeah, bro.
What? I want the blood clot. No, God. Get up.
Yo, you know someone reason about a situation. Yeah man, it's a situation that going on where, you know, sometimes you have to wonder. Brother, so if you have your woman and feel her best friend kind of give her a vibe, you know what I mean, like she'll send you a certain signal, how you gonna approach it?
What you mean? Me not understand. What you mean?
The man means say, if you da ride off your woman best friend,
Yeah.
that he mean.
You
What you mean?
You don't do it?
What you mean? What if you stop me? Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in you. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you gonna walk and you gonna walk, you the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy. Me bum you. Them a girl you a brother.
Aye, rough. Yo, film decision just serious. So Jota, where say I go on now? What your opinion on this situation?
Me, we don't do it. Cause watch it out. My woman, I not true me love her alone, you know. I loyal to do it, man. Cause what goes around come back around like in a local circle. Yes, me not do that, brother. Me just not do that thing. I tell you the truth.
Yo, you know, easy in the car. Alright, you see, me share same sentiment. I see him, so me say. Nah, I do that, brother, because I guess I know. I have to respect, you know, like the whole loyalty process. Because it's a process, you know. Man a dog, you know. Like back in the days when I was like maybe 15, I don't know where I go on. I might want to take a chance, you know what I mean? But now I respect her, she respect me, you know.
So what you say? So what you say? So what I say? So what you say? You tell me, say, if you see your woman best friend, you won't there with him. You won't there with him. A joke you know make man. Right now, I tell you, say you right now some of the girl them, see some of the with woman best friend them better sometimes, most of the time. Round and shape good.
Yeah,
Allow me to tell you.
beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You see if a fatty you want, and one little slim as pass through, yeah, she might have a little tight stuff, but you know what I mean? The confidence and the loyalty.
Me as a man, as a big man, me actually in order for married now. So basically, me not do no little stupidness to mash up my thing though. Yeah, and true again, if me do or go do something like that, I don't wheel over so better. No, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Everybody have them own freedom for free themselves, you know what I mean? That's what them say man a dog, you know, because some man really just live their life there. But some man, as a man say, mean harder to get married. Me now in the process of...
So hold on there. What give you the reason for the ask with all of them questions? You're up to something, you know. You see your face, you're up to something.
No, John.
Yeah, man, you're up to something.
Sometimes when you have a bridge in them, it's the best place to talk and reason on certain things, because, yo, me don't like how for me... Me don't like how for me woman, best friend, kind of, you know, she too into
something for you, you know.
Look on his face. Look on his face. Look on his face.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, I wish woman. Yo.
Without fire.
Yo, I wish woman. woman.
Tell
you see your woman with you.
Tell me.
Yo, we are friends now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now. You can't keep secret now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now, daddy.
Yo, hold on, man. Yo, it's like say,
yo.
I'm a woman.
Watch it.
A pansy, man. Yo, a pansy, you know. A pansy what yo. See a wife you call. Yo, pick up on the selfie, man. You understand me? I said, we talk, a wife you call.
Yo, you take it easy. Take it easy.
Chop him,
Yo, you see, I come ask a question.
I chop him. I want dirty boy. No, I hear what we have to say. Chop him. No. I want dirty boy.
Yeah.
Yo, I watch and see what I do. The most chop that's where they don't know. Can't better me see it in my face.
You see it in my face? You see badness in my face? Take it easy.
Babe. Yeah, man. I know it's Valentine's Day, man. So you say, ready to go out? Where's the pansy today? Okay, I'll try to make sure. Alright, no problem, man. I'm on my way home right now. So the next 2 minutes I can see me. Alright? Cool, now come.
And 2 hours now, and public say I take 2 minutes to reach here.
You so come man, you don't know them still.
I wonder when they.
How can be? Pansy still there?
Yeah.
You good?
So
babes. Oh God, sorry for taking so long, man. Oh my God.
Why you take so long? How long me wait for you? 2 hours now?
Come here, try to do something special, extra special for you, but you know what? Better me just carry out and just go eat some food and we just, you know what I mean, have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So,
Me your long soon I wait for you.
yeah, man, come and tell us, yo, they're on the road, tired, but if you still like fridge,
Yeah.
get it for me, do. And then when you get the drinks, we just ready and go out. Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Don't stay too long, you know?
Alright. You not done packet?
You so me done on my hand.
Okay, so leave. Alright. Yeah, come.
So public, if me did in our relationship, would I do all them nice Valentine's things here and stuff? You get what I say? I don't really want to hear still, you know, but you get what I say?
But me no think we fi even entertaining conversation because she will chat me up, me sure about that. You know what I mean? mean, so. But, me no know.
So me ask you something. You think me attractive?
Yes, but Bob Marley when done say there is Bob Marley say one love, one heart, one at a time, you know what I mean?
Yes, so we can share our love.
Yeah, but let me think about it. Decide me can.
I can go and find you.
You sit down close the door.
She good, man. She good. Don't worry yourself, B. You know, say I'm a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She good, man. Don't worry yourself. Hey, I've been through so much today, so be stressed out, tired and all that, but you ready to go? Girl, go with me. Come on. I want to have a good night tonight. How about the eyes, man? Honey.
And action.
Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you gonna walk and you gonna walk, you the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy, me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
No, we can't go.
No, we're not gonna tell us if you love him, no. We're not gonna tell us if you love him. Action.
Yeah. You still there? Why go and pansy everything?
Oh, fancy. Come on, Randy.
No. Pansy, wait, I'm calling. You know what I mean? Have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So, but if you come over, come on out there. Want you hurt her feelings? I can't say yes. Lady!
I'm gonna take so long for coming. You have to come in.
Babes, it's so cool and nice though. Come go over here to go bus piece now.
So babes, you not get peace already last night? Come on, man. I thought so.
Yeah, man. Come on, me say, yeah, man, where you say we link up later. Yeah, man, alright, no, I hide it. Last night, yeah man. But guess what, you always see what I do, I don't feel so I go 2-1 do it back again, you know. Yeah man, cause guess what? A beer run, me have to run, you know. A beer run actually, Maca tree them, you know. Dog all rush me last night, you know. Star God, you know, yeah man, but guess what, I enjoy. Yeah man, I enjoy, man. So when you say we can link up, man. So
who you run up on the phone with? They run this and you take time come on and say who you there on the phone with?
you hear me run here and talk to people on the phone?
You just come on and come see you on the phone. So me an idiot. I know you talk to somebody. And I go turn up and make you take me for no fool. You know, long me turn up on this, they watch they talk on the phone and then they take me for idiot. You can't take me for no.
I want a new app so me up on my phone to check pressure. I hit me there on here and try out. And you talk about you hear me talk to people on the phone. Who you hear me talk to on the phone?
You let me round this and you come round here so you tell me say you're not talking to nobody on the phone.
No, listen,
you have to talk to somebody on the phone and I want to see who you're in the talk.
You can't see who.
You want to see who you're in the talk to.
Lady, what happened to you? I'm thinking
you want to see who you're in the talk to.
B, a long time we over here, no? So where Jimmy there?
Remember, so we call him before we come over here. So you know, must soon come. Not even to rush him. Remember how them man they come down already. I don't have to rush him. But B, queer. Look on a nice circle over there, so.
Them big roll pan one day.
You see you? Me tired of it and this is the last time. You see next time, it happen, we done.
So one next one over there sir come over. You see him?
The one that white one too.
Yeah, and the one they look like it black over there. So you see him come over? See him gone under the water come crash.
God no baby. The moment when I spend it, me I do worry if you know say we are come from so far. But you are hard type of things, me just love every moment, me just love you big, God know. What do I really want to know? How you feel big? God know, how you feel?
We are talking about you have a baby?
Not really the pregnancy, but I just wonder your first baby, how you feel if you know say you become a mother.
Why be you know say me excited, God know me excited because me have you around me to go through the journey. You know me excited.
Alex
God.
and the woman. Yo, Alex!
Yeah, the boy
Yo, where you the
where you deal with? Come in here, make you hear what you have to say. What are going on, people? Hold on, hold on. So, yes, guys, that's Fire Us and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was, I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I am saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm going to find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carlanda, is this your first time? Yes. Okay. See if one wing for me or however they do that. Okay. So over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm gonna go live on all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet, but everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys.
Kind to introduce yourself, miss?
My name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches?
Yes.
A honey did I feel?
There is honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth in sister, the teeth, my baby. Candy. Yes, see her up before.
Sir, beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just follow the crowd.
Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
Yes, yeah, me have a live. Come, you want to come? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So how has the experience been for you so far?
Shut up, Akeem.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen, this is Yannick and this is our thiefing sister Candy. What I want to say, bless up on yourself, you know, say I love you a long time. Anyhow she breathe again, me thief in that pit me.
Phew. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else you want out of life? Yo, on a sure crocodile. Hey, fire! Crocodile down there, my youth. Hi, miss.
Hi, guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as yet.
Not as yet. You're not playing a part yet?
No.
Oh, yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica first strike beer.
Mine are junk, you know. See him, the people. A great Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People? Okay. Make sure you cover it. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. Now understand how she don't get chat to next man.
Calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
Oh, black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah. Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, Jack, girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, why me break up with you?
Yeah,
Cause
why did you do that?
you cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage the live? Oh.
Just shoot the try keep it real, you know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all the people there in the world, you see? Bag of things go on, you see it? Yeah, pick up to all of the people there, you know? Bag of things go on. Pull up.
So you go pop the land. Rich and feel phone, love freeze like. When I go on with people, I want to see if they settle down. Settle down. Come on, settle down. Why this time when I phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one? Alright. Them normally say hole in 1. Show me 15, that's something I want to have a hole in a 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green? I wish I knew that.
John Star, why this
So them have other something like this over the side too?
About 80.
So we have 15, so 3 more up there, so 3 more them the up there, so.
Our family, get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God picking. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again. Show them again. Show them. She can't flick, guys. She can't boom flick. A big people are going to them and something and say, you know, say happy then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah. Country girl.
She nice, you guys. Look on her.
Yeah.
Boom flick.
So what next flicker that in country?
Find it. Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for her.
Not on the grass.
I best place to do it.
Make sure I find the smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. Yeah. So come now.
Some minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick I got? She never know said already I record. So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Oh my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carlanda Gordon. Am I hearing you?
Caroline, yeah, them are here. Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, I have family from Hartford.
Yeah,
But anyways, now waste no time. The sun now time. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them question, what do you think them questioners say about you? And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's questions. So, like me, I don't know. If you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
I can pass?
Yeah, man, I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
I won't be able
works.
to match personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try to mess with them where that is concerned. So, the first question, what is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question, or we don't want to know about people's sexual orientation.
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So who do you think asks that question?
It's the first question on the paper?
My first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who write the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female asked that.
You think a female asked this question?
Yes.
I don't want a female ask the second question, which is, are you a virgin?
I'm a...
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Make mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, you have a boyfriend.
Okay.
The question not boring anyone. Boy. And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality, but then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when they're in line, it would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look on them right now and they're kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how them are treated over there, so.
Just go
Over the
ahead.
number 4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person that interesting, I guess. How nobody not ask something about acting?
Exactly, I'm like...
No, people have questions here were kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life, describe your type and your sex
Remember, I'm a
life.
virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I'm attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I'm attracted to persons who are goal-driven. And I'm actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
I want to come out Tyson. Well, come out Tyson. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who
Yes,
get
but-
things done.
Alright, good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's
I
a
don't know
virgin.
what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know I ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. And between me and some weird kind of people. And people you can love but then they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly female, so you know say a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
It
Yeah,
is.
weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
Alright.
Whether it be that I'm on set or I'm off. I'm expressive. And so I tend to, I don't know, I'm just always, it's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Because me just always express, me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot, right?
You sure?
You just said the time. Me have it on record now. Say the time hot. Me hot. Me hot. It's not nervous. Me hot. How long me have video? Sure. I don't nobody ask. Boy. Number 7. What is your favorite? Whatever. She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite. That. All right.
Whatever. What does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, will you marry me? So just guess who asked that question?
You?
No. That's one how my answer so now I'd ask this question, but
will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
Guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask the question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No. Yeah.
Nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, will you marry me? And you say, honey, no one knows the future.
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, you know, just
No, I'm saying
yeah,
it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Who asked?
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that time to acting. Yeah.
I'm versatile.
Oh.
I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
No, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I'm talented because I have more than one talent.
alright. Not to stray too much, but could you may I try to find one character and ask if
Impersonate?
Yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Alright, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just then I think I kinda look like that already.
I can select Tiffany Haddish or those people. I can do that.
I want to say hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the boy yard. You won't believe where the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. We think that good. On a grade there in the comments. So 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell me where do you see yourself in 5 years? Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the you were describing your type.
That's what I mean? Or they're asking about me?
No, I was just saying, based on your answer for this question, goal-driven persons to kind of describe your ambitions. So you're a go-getter kind of person? Huh?
Sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions, I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I
don't have enough money then?
Me just want comfortable.
Okay.
You know? Because
you don't want one man to do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
This is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, you know. As in one man, I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the man can't dead and only lad know him all the thing assets too. Me no want to be drop back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want to have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. I'm going to tell you who asked this question. I still want to ask you, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? Him never ask it like that. When him says, you that breed for me, that's how him says. I just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But the person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, I know that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
So you answer the marry me question. So nobody where you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly upon the wall, that's all. Nobody where you see. So nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance. Just
I don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything you know, and baby daddy, husband, because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
He's the father.
Yeah. The father. So nobody physically would I say, alright, you look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart a break.
It's gonna be hard because as me say, I'm not judge after physical features.
No, seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but I'm gonna expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, oh, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right as well. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, say why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend here.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
So, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, it... But guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I'm tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term? That was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me around this show,
I'm not ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so...
Me think Richard asks this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't, when I show you, just
be blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question, I'm going to expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
I don't really know what I said, but then we could.
Seriously? So fast you pick up that?
Richard
you're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't even remember what I said for that. I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire? We give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody?
We have to make it a little bit challenging, come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question. And what I'm gonna ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question, they say, what is this about? and it
Which
bring that to
means
mind.
that-
So, yo,
Okay.
what is the goal? So, like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would it would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was
Yes.
thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask
Kinda.
that. Yeah, because
But we can personalize that question. So, probably that question I
Really,
can be friends
you?
with.
Okay.
So, everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal thing.
Aspirations,
You understand?
good. Mhm.
So, like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day,
Of
where would
where I
you-
am
yeah.
now? Well, I must learn. I must learn. Either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen. In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I not just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So
We
knowledge
must-
is the thing for at the end of the day.
yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to what's the word? I must be able to implement
Okay.
what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is for all I know, what do you hope to achieve by doing this? Making movies, filming, all of that. At the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything
What
you want to do
comes
now.
after the full stop?
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here now. So, what in a position we put her now?
Exactly. It was
How was it?
it was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are need see through ya.
Targeted. I
See
feel
who of them.
targeted.
So look on them. See them and them ask a question. Who of them? Them
I
a-
can't believe y'all.
I hope you not call me name for my question.
No, you not get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody. So, I go. No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you asked.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
No.
Today our date.
Don't ask now because now we not go to school.
Yeah, you don't have to go to school for know the date. Good evening. What time is it now? It's evening. Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, golf course again. I have two beautiful young ladies with me. And they're going to talk to us about that movie, Three Sisters. We want to find out what's going on for them. And also, we want to find out from them what has the experience been from the inception, from the beginning, from the genesis, up until this point. Yep. How long does sound ago?
Does that make sense?
That one, guys, she likes to insult her.
How do
Yeah.
I respond to skip.
So, yeah, so I don't know how we do it. I will get some visuals first, some nice visuals, probably just use them for the entire B-roll, and then we'll come back and talk. Reason why I'm not so animated in this one, I chill. I feel really, really chill. And just give me some time, taking some photos, try to get them under control, make them calm down. Then we can actually ask them about the questions about the movie. So, but bear with me. When them make them get out everything with it. Watch out.
Okay, so what do you have for me?
Before we see what snake come.
How?
What do you
I'm not seeing it.
They're not poisonous, Carlanda.
Don't just say they're not poison, we're not easy.
They aren't.
So you know, it's like kind of people them.
Yes, I'm a people them. Serpent.
Got to admit.
You can't tap no more with address you.
Address me.
Last kid in there?
Address me.
We mostly thought that you people were in the flying section and 4-foot creature section, but apparently you crawl too.
A crawl snake crawl?
Hmm?
A crawling crawl?
Oh,
Wiggle.
I don't think a crawling crawl. I think they have a name for how snakes move.
Wiggle, wine,
No.
jiggle.
We're going to wine and broke it down.
Both are in a Three Sisters, Three Different Man, right? Oh, so who are you in the movie though? I get this straight. Carolina, who are you in the movie Three Sisters?
I'm the beautiful, ever so beautiful.
Shut up. What are we in the nice?
Me and you here.
And your point is?
She can't, yeah.
I can
She can't.
straighten these for you.
I see.
So you're a character that one Tech Man character, Carolina?
No.
Yes,
you're
you did.
Pretty and pregnant.
How was the experience?
Frightening.
Frightening?
Yes.
Like from the, like me know with Beaver here, she have a problem here with Fire Ras, I said, because she said Fire Ras chat fast.
Yeah, each Fire Ras chat fast and so we chat fast now.
It was, I did one mixture, because it's tempting. You know, when girls step to you and everybody get tough chat, you just have your...
Yeah, because
your
that's the rule. Yeah,
your character is...
Just to be
So did you know her? You never know Beaver before you come here?
No.
And you guys look at Tilala playing her hair and all sort of things.
I'm not playing it.
Fix a good mama.
Or just something with females and develop one friendship and bond faster than
We're not
males.
friends, we're associates. So we just work as a team, right? We're not friends. You know what is friend? Eh? Come catch up and catch up, good man. Just
Every chance I get them try to shut me up. So this is not friendship, guys. That's why it's hard for trust woman. You see how them loving? Look how them are behave loving with each other. And they can still stand up in front of each other and say, oh listen, we are not friends, we are just associates. Me no get this. How friend goes? Tell me how it go. Are we friends?
no. Because we're not.
It's alright. Me not hurt. Me not hurt.
You
But like
can't
the
be
video, in
hurt.
case me feel hurt, like the video.
Alright, we are just a team. We are just a team mates. Like we work together.
Alright, listen to me. Me not want to call me again since we are not.
Listen, you need to understand.
No, but Biba, I don't understand.
Listen, remember, for
mhm.
example, when they used to go school then, and you and that person, like for example, 6 away the year so, but I 6, 2 minor tasks in, post teacher put the same 6 away in one group. At the end of the day, we have to do what we have to do, It's no fronting, It's just to put in the work and to get the work done.
We're great associates.
Okay, I agree for disagree.
We're great
Fine.
associates.
So let's get back to the movie now. Zine, so was it at any point was it at any point uncomfortable for you, Miss Carolina?
Well, when I had to, the party was supposed to put out.
Chat na pa, waka na ba na chat ba? Wow.
Not here, no man. So yes.
The scene where I had to lie in the dirt and the creep took me out of the that was like, sometimes when them fine girls were dead.
But you never did.
No, I know, but you create that same scene and we can just imagine how people that think them and then just throw them in a bush and whatever.
Or like seeing things happening, like I hear things that money come to realize.
Exactly. So you see a body and you see it in the dirt and the grass and everything.
So even though I did acting, it kind of
me think
well physically or mentally uncomfortable.
Or
It
both?
was both.
Jaja
It was both
Rastafari.
because me start to think and I say, me can just imagine how them girl they feel.
Wow.
Especially the ones who actually get to know what them did before them dead. You understand?
Cool.
Apart from that, it was an experience. It was-
What would you tell other females who are interested? Go for it.
If they can
Definitely.
manage it, then
Definitely.
they can. Nothing try, nothing done, none at all. I'm not discouraging nobody. Listen, in the movie, the role that I play, well, some people are saying,
Me when I realize me not even asking nothing, I'm excited. If you tell me about film part, come talk.
yeah, I'm not gonna say nothing.
No, tell me not Jesus and peace. I love your Bieber. Come talk. Tell me about.
No, you have to tell me say nobody love me.
Nobody love you.
Alright. In the movie, the role that I play, I enjoyed it because,
You can't kangaroo.
well, me not lie, me get the good role, the greatest role.
Are you a protagonist in that the show
Yes,
there? Are you them
yeah,
love?
the bad apple, yeah.
Mhm.
You see me, but
This apple but actually sweet. Just saying.
She nah stop interrupting you, man. But it's alright.
Yeah, while going on, if you not say no.
Alright, go on.
So as me I say, in the movie when I play the role, me I tell you say, I would do it all over again 100 times. I would do a movie where I'm the bad apple in it all the times. Because that's what I actually say and I realize. Oh my god, me feel harassed. Me harassed, but don't come beside me. Me have for the years to come here to
You want
something depends on certain.
Hold on. So you're a thief in a real life?
No.
Certified.
Hold on, let me check my pocket them.
Certified thief.
Certified thief.
Let me check my pocket them, make sure
I'm
I
a
have.
certified thief
I have my
in the
things then.
movie.
So what other role would I play again? Would I be the bad person?
In any other else movie.
Like what kind of bad person role then?
Alright then. But I want to have a friend and tutor if you get a man bun.
Take with your friend man.
No, I won't take with my friend man. But that tutor my friend and encourage her and say, yeah girl, give your man bun.
Your boots are.
Your boots are and say, give your man bun girl. Yeah, you know what I'm saying about it.
So I have one question for you now. Now that you tell me how exciting you find your role and how the experience.
We're not friends. So she can't encourage you to give me one bun.
Okay, good. What's your favorite person, Beaver? Put up on the spot.
Who's my favorite person in
Here,
what?
here. You are my favorite person here.
You are my...
No, I can't be a favorite person. You know me long time. You know me from before I come here, so I'm out that.
Then who else?
I don't know why you have
Well,
to tell me.
in the movie then, nice. Even in a scene when...
You always ask for Kelly.
Oh, you're talking overall in the movie?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't want y'all get it twisted, you know. I love everyone that I'm working with. It's just that who me really... Who understand me. Because sometimes my head go and come, yeah. That... My head go and come.
So the Rasta man telling about no other future role one have to play?
I can't disclose that.
But he's the one...
Can't disclose it? Me I go find out. Me must find out.
You do your thing.
So, yeah, golf course people, too miserable. I don't know if I think they're pretty. I don't really think they're pretty, you know. So, I have to check my pocket, you know, because she says she actually do the things them. I understand, so I have to. And them like it, I'm not even have no money. What? None of that now come out. Them love here, and them love... What do you think majority of the males that are watching this video, what do you think they are thinking?
Whatever things, they just want to say it's a movie.
I wonder if she want one job as some expensive, some. I wonder if she want one job as a receptionist.
I wonder if she was detect some of my money.
Man, if you give me, why not me?
You know look at man on the internet, Beaver.
If you give me, why not?
But if them a look you.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
So, I tell you what happened behind the back now. It's going to let out in the truth, it's going to reveal it now.
Yes, yeah,
So, I remember when I was here at the first week, you weren't here. Don't talk here. So, I go home now and think, I say the following week, I never come back. At the weekend, I come back. So, I saw this girl doing video with you. Oh, me not get no feelings. It's not like, okay, not about the end of the day, we have to meet new people. Every day.
I jealous, I get jealous.
No, listen.
You know, so I remember say you message me too. Come talk. Yeah, true, yeah, talk. Come talk.
So now, I saw her and I saw him say she's a nice girl, like her smile and all these things. Anyways, get to meet her in real life. So on the same weekend now, it's next lockdown now, when we come down here. Remember how the nice same blouse?
Yeah.
Same color?
Yeah.
Everything.
Me never noticed. Wow.
She was on the phone and I'm like, and I was like.
On the phone?
She was on her phone all along. And I'm like, she doesn't on her phone, so because that is me. I just want to start provoke you. But you never did pay me attention. Anyways, enter in one. So we did cook that evening. I remember when I asked her if she want food and she was like, I don't want any dumpling, something like that.
Yeah.
We cooked the food and me and Kelani was like, she asleep down here. I said, no. But anyways, due to the fact that it was locked down at certain hours, so me figure more or less and I said, yes, she go sleep down here. That's it and done. And I'm like, who she go sleep with? And I said, Kelani and me I sleep same way. We not sleep, she not sleep with her. Something like that. Anyway, we done cook the food. And when
oh God, of His mercy. Expression on her face, priceless.
Come on there and ask if I want some food and ask you what cook and I say flour. I say no one that you will look something for you. So alright, that's it and done. When we done cooking food now, the plate was there because me they wash up the plate them when me a cook. So the food, the plates them now when they finish eat out of was there. And then she came inside. And then I go in the kitchen go look. Me say no goods, me see. A goods, me see I wash the plate them.
Oh, a goods are your name, a goods are the name you get?
No!
Goods.
Remember, I never know her name because she was on the phone. First time I come and tell her hi, but she was on the phone, so I never want to interrupt. And I run down, she can't tell Kelani, say, Kelani, we get one Cinderella. She can't work, she will wash the plate them. And Kelani say, I lie. We say, girl, go on there, she wash the plate them. And Kelani go around there. And Kelani go on there, she wash the plate them and think I say, no, but that's why I don't good face. Then me with my enough seller, remember what? Me come on here and say to you?
No.
Alright, so me go around there. And I see good so I should play. So I say, friend, you don't remember me said to you? No. And you didn't say something to me, but you're not easy.
I was listening to music.
Yes. And me go there and I say, hi. And you take out the earphones. So me realize.
Something like a good housewife?
Something similar to that.
No, man.
No.
So I'm going there, I still remember now, no, like me I tell. So I'm going there and say, yes, welcome, we get some if you can wash the plate after now. You remember? And then she jump over and say, well, you not easy. Yeah, we not easy. But that's trouble, me there trouble right now, guys. But she just come and take on the plate. She don't eat none, but she come and wash. Yes, when I might say she's a good girl. Me didn't like that. Cinderella. Right there, so me the thing that she's a one type of girl love give attitude.
So you just are wrong then?
Yes, at first. But by night we come down with the good like that.
I did the same thing with you? You did see her when you come here?
Remember she was.
I was on the phone. I saw her when she came in, but I was.
Like when did you notice her or what?
When
the
I
first
saw
time?
Her blouse.
Oh, the burgundy, the similar blouse.
Oh.
We have on the same blouse.
We're in the same blouse.
Y'all are so cute. Look at them with their cute stories.
So I will make a good say. Yes, welcome. We have some news for the watch play. Good say. But it's not easy. Yeah. And this is what me disrespect her now. Sorry about that. If I feel that way now.
Hold on there. My time done on the camera. What you say? What you say?
Are you alone? It's a sweet.
No, but watch her. You have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, you hear now? I have a YouTube channel, meaning you have a YouTube channel, you alone turn on your channel. Fair enough.
No, but what I'm saying is,
use this medium to advertise.
I want her to, because I say me alone, it's sweet, so I want you. Hit the palm, maybe I'm in a focus. So me I say is if you want it to be sweet, you too. What could have happened is that you send the people over your YouTube channel and tell them what you plan for upload. You that do good enough.
Yeah.
I'm not tell our people say she that do good, just a chat pan video. Like that story there a while ago. You see, you don't want it sweet. Yeah. But anyways, people, hear me I say now. I'm always a telling you. Thank you, no? 1 million. You see me? Thanks. I'm responsible for one big part of my survival because when everybody abandoned me and then they put me up on suicidal watch, you remember that? I'm alone, they stick around, support me. All sort of alley. Financially, all sort of alley. Now look for me, I know. You know.
TVJ.
You get no baby yet?
No. You gonna really do that though? No.
Where my that one?
Ask me if I get no baby yet. I think that question has been asked
100 times.
The first time he come when me do the question thing, curious him.
This is the first me ever hear like I've heard that question so many times for this year. I mean, I think there is going to be another time in my life for me to hear the question so much.
Georgia, you really want a baby, Carolina?
I do, just not know.
Miss sorry if you, hey. Nobody now breathe, you know. Nobody now breathe. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm going to end the video now. I get some photos with them. We need to get some photos I can put on Instagram and all the places. And the lighting is perfect right now. So, thank you for tuning in. People, we have to make it this far. Definitely. Mind a break, you one.